In a few more days, this car is gonna be mine, nigga. My grandma giving it to me, nigga. You already know. In a few more days, boy, that Jaguar mine, boy, with the chrome in that. Boy, that's how I'm gonna be whipping. I'm ready, my nigga. You already know. Tweet Squad. You already know we doing the big, you know. We're near the beach, you know. We're near the beach. That's what we do. My grandma gonna give me a clean new car. Everything good in it. Jaguar. Oh my. Only thing wrong was the window busted, but it's a Jag though. The mug got chrome in it. My nigga. Look at the seats, my nigga. Nigga tripping. He tweaking. Yeah. Oh, that's mine. I just want to show what y'all niggas. Get it out. I'm out.